Hi guys, and this is in Lana's Corner with my mom, Yula, and we're gonna do the Green Boozled Challenge. And it is a jelly beans, and we're gonna start it. And this is just 129.75 pesos. Now we're gonna open it first. Okay. Ano tong green? This green are lawn clippings or lime.
Let me see. Lawn clippings or lime.
Yes, this is
Okay.
for you. 1, 2, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
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 1, 2, 3, go. Yummy.
I think I have the lawn clippings. I have the lawn clippings. You have the lime?
Yeah, I love it. It's sarap.
Okay. Next.
Love it. Yum. Love it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Here. Vomit or peach?
it's vomit or peach. Oh no! Vomit. Oh, it's yours. 1, cheers.
Cheers!
1, 2, 3, go. Ew! No!
You have the vomit?
I have the vomit. Ew! So now I'm gonna have this. So it's berry blue or toothpaste. This is berry blue or toothpaste. So it's for you. So
Cheers!
cheers! 1, 2, 3, go.
I have toothpaste.
I have the berry blue. It's so yummy. Love it. It's okay.
Okay lang.
Yeah, okay Okay lang siya. Wait, this is so cool. So,
What's that?
this is baby wipes or coconuts. So,
Kabisado mo Oh.
Yung iba lang.
Cheers!
1, 2, 3, go!
I have coconut. What do you have?
Ew!
Di ba nagkaroon na tayo kanina ng vomit?
Ay, hindi. Yung kanina, stinky socks pala yun. Kasi naman si mami.
Mali ako.
So, it's vomit or peach. Okay. Here. Please, cheers. Cheers! 1, 2, 3. Ew! I have the vomit.
Ano ba yan, nak? Ba't lahat na sa'yo? Lahat ng bad?
Yes. Canned dog food. It's dark chocolate pudding. Dog food. Okay. Ay! Oh my gosh.
Cheers! Canned dog food.
Dog food.
Ayoko ng lasa.
Water.
Bakit pareho tayo ng nakuha?
Ibig sabihin pati chocolate pudding
Kasi, hindi lang tig-isang pairs yung nandito sa box. Marami silang pairs. I think, tigta tatlo. Tatlong pairs. So, 3 times siya pwedeng, laruin.
Ew. Okay, now so this is,
Booger or Juicy Pear.
booger or disappeared. Ew! Ew, booger! Ew! I don't want it. Okay. Cheers!
Bakit tayo? Yuck. Ew. Bakit ang lasa?
Oh my gosh! Water ulit. OMG! Disgusting!
Bakit pa tayo nakuha?
This is not cool.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, ano ba ito? Parehas to ah. Pagka-parehas na ito.
Sigurado ka.
Ito. Okay. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. What's an eggs?
Okay ka lang? Para lahat ng pangit yung lasa napunta sa'yo, ah.
OMG. Take all of this.
Tapos na-try na natin lahat. So, ayun na yung Bean Boozled Challenge namin. Lana's Corner and Yule's Corner.
Okay.
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.
Gusto mo pa?